To configure Apple Pay on iPhone, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of iOS installed. Open the Wallet app, which comes pre-installed on your iPhone. If you cannot find the Wallet app, you can swipe left on your home screen and type Wallet in the search bar to locate it. To add a credit or debit card, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the Wallet app. Select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card, and follow the prompts to enter your card information. You can also use your iPhone's camera to capture the card information by tapping Continue and then allowing the camera to scan your card. You will then be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of your bank or card issuer. Review the terms carefully and tap Agree to continue. Your bank or card issuer may require additional verification, such as a phone call or SMS code, to confirm your identity and activate your card for Apple Pay. Once your card is verified and added to the Wallet app, you can use Apple Pay to make payments in stores, online, and in apps. To make a payment, hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use Apple Pay on other Apple devices, such as your Apple Watch or iPad, by signing in with the same Apple ID and adding your card to the Wallet app on each device. To manage your Apple Pay cards and settings, open the Wallet app and tap on a card to view its details and transaction history. You can also remove a card from Apple Pay by tapping the info icon and then tapping Remove Card. It is a good idea to regularly review your transaction history and card details to ensure everything is up to date and secure. By following these steps, you can easily configure Apple Pay on your iPhone and start making convenient and secure payments. Remember to always keep your iPhone and card information secure, and to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any unauthorized transactions.